If you want to create a logo with AI, we have a tool here, AI logo generator. It's very simple. You prompt, you describe what do you need exactly, and you can create such a this interesting logo. First, begin with our TC tutorial cell logo. Let's copy that. You can tell the text of my logo should be TC, and the letter T should be white and the letter C should be orange, and make my logo 3D. You can see, for example, and inside, you can see inside the circle. Inside the circle. Negative prompt, what you don't want to see in your image. For example, I don't want to see, for example, black colors. You can see. You can make artistry more 100% ratio in the fast mode. Sorry, I tell it again. If you want to use all tools, fast mode, detail tools, and lots of coins, please subscribe at standard or pro. And then generate. Let's see what happened with artistry 100% or less. Nice, it's create TC. I don't like artistry 0 and just create my prompt. Not very artistry. Say TC. You can see, you can play with. You can play with. I can publish that artistry and the prompt. You can describe more what happened if you enhance your text. My name is deriving the word Tokyo T. No, I don't know Tokyo. You have to describe yourself. Okay, you can type another prompt for create 3D logo. For example, a 3D logo of a horse head with long hair inside a circle and horn. Horn? No, not horn. Let's generate. And let's see what happened. It's creating a logo very fast. Nice. You can see it create a horse logo. Or logo. See what happened. Angel. Let's see, just with one prompt, create a logo of angel for us. Nice and interesting. So you can type anything. Let's enhance that and see what happened. Golden angel, boom, 3. You can, in this case, because you don't know what you want exactly, you can make artistry more. Boom, and generate it again. Wow, interesting. I like it. Interesting. Publish that to see others. Publish this. Interesting. You can create such interesting thing. Okay. Let's, I like creating logo in this case. A colorful flower in the clouds. Yes. Let's enhance it. Artistry 100%. You can see it's created simple or artistry. If you want to create a simple model, turn the artistry down to 0 to just create a logo for you. Nice. Interesting. You can type anything and you can create lots of things that you need. But they are not logo actually. Make artistry at a 0 and for example, a unicorn. let's try with artistry 0 to make it looks like a logo. It looks like an image generator. I don't like it. Yeah, you can see it's a logo. So play with artistry and you can do it. Nice. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.